Hi. Well, today I'm ripping up carpet, and the floor looks pretty good. It doesn't look so good right now, but so far so good. I also put these on, these doors. Ah! I guess I didn't put it on good enough because it's off now. Darn it. Those things are so hard. Oh, maybe the carpet did it. But yeah, I had two bent hinges that I had to straighten, and you have to adjust the little knob things on top so that it has a good fit. But that one needs adjusting again. So what a pain in the ass. That took like hours too. Anyway, so that's what I'll be doing tomorrow, finishing up that carpet. Then I'm going to seal that floor. But I'm going to get a water bottle and start from the center and just, spray it around, try to get all those particles to come down and then seal them in. And then she's got a pretty safe room. So I found some. I have to wait for it to come in though. And gosh, they make you buy it online. It's 45 pounds. It's like people have to deliver that, So it's 5 gallons, and I really only need a gallon. But I'll put some, in that spare room when it's done. Maybe I'll spray the ceiling in the kitchen with it. I don't know if you can do it on already painted walls. If so, I'll just spray that whole room again, walls and all. But I gotta call the company and see if it's gonna, ruin the paint job. I mean, I could always paint it again, but I don't want to. I found some drips on the wall, not from paint, but from the texture. Damn it. I must have not had good lighting the day I painted because there's a lot that I missed. So I got to go back and fix that. That doesn't look good, and I want the room to look good, So then when the rent comes, I'll buy the blinds. I have some blinds. I just have to figure out how to put them up. I'm not sure now because when I took them down, I should have taken a picture, but I didn't. And since I'm not a handyman, I get to play, what does this piece do? What does that piece do? And I don't know. I might just buy new blinds and have someone come and hang them for me. Then they'll look good. Instead of, the non-handyman here trying to do it. So we'll see. I don't know. I wonder if they come over from Lowe's and hang up the cheap aluminum ones that I want to buy. We'll see. All right, well, so you know what I'll be doing tomorrow, and I only placed one little nutcracker here so far, and I got this guy out. He's my big guy. Let me turn the light on. On Christmas Day, I put him in the window. I either put him in the window or my other big one. He's like 5 feet tall. And then there's my little kitchen baker one. And I have to dust this guy. He's really dusty, but I usually use him on Halloween, and he holds the candy, but I hardly ever get trick-or-treaters. Nobody wants to go up my stairs. So here's my other big guy. See how I'm 5'3". So he's like 48 inches. Nah, longer. Maybe 60. I don't know. But he's tall. They were selling him for like $1,200 at JCPenney. Couple 3 or 4 years back. And I just waited until after Christmas when he was on clearance, and I got him for $300. That's the way to do it. If you can, discipline yourself to wait until the clearance sale and hope there's one left and not be upset if there isn't, then that's the way to shop. So anyway, I'll talk to you later. Bye.